Oh, oh, he doesn't turn here. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We have connected into the new hotel. It's a new day, and this is going to start episode 3 of the 3-part series for Koh Phangan. So until then, we're going to get the drone ready, we're going to get the 360 ready, we're going to get all the tools ready, and we're going to head over to a viewpoint on the very north side of Koh Phangan. This is going to give us a view of Bottleneck Beach, and that's all I have planned for today. We'll see what happens. We have reserved our motorbike. We're here at Le Wan Hotel. It's about 130 for 4 nights. But there's a nice spa connected and it just smells like spa. Motorbike has been secured. We're gonna call it Clinks. This is Clinky. And so it's time for us to head that way. Let's see, we gotta fill up the old Clinks and swing by the 7-Eleven. Way to the trek. There's an elephant camp, the Bantai Elephant Camp. Morning, Cup.
Good morning.
And we're gonna swing by and buy some bananas and sugar cane.
Papaya.
Oh wow.
Papaya.
You want to say hello?
Hello.
Nice to meet you, Cup. All right, so we're gonna pick up a little bit of fruits and then we're gonna wander down over here and then get up close and personal with the elephants. All right, folks, come on down. We're gonna say hi. Oh, to this big fella. Would you like a banana? Yes, please. Wow. Look at how massive this guy is. What are you eating there? Huh? Look at that snout. Oi, can I make him go in the mouth? Up. 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 He doesn't understand. Oh. Up. Ah, he goes backwards. It's okay. One more. Yummy. Oh, another one. Ah, no steal. No stealing. He's kind of stealing. Folks, this thing is massive. Jeez. Thank you, Cup. Suwadi Cup. Wow. What a pit stop, huh? Just driving up to the trekking point, pulled off on the side of the road, feed the elephants. Welcome to Koh Phangan, ladies and gentlemen. No taxi, thank you. Have moto. Movie na. Okay, if you are in Koh Phangan, you can rent one of these little taxis, pretty affordable. They'll take you around all the different destinations. I'm rocking Clinks right now, so let's get back to clanking. Clinky, clinky. After just a 20-minute journey, we have parked Clinks right there in the shade, and we have a 15-minute, 20-minute walk through the forest to the viewpoint. Walking along the trail here, and we found a soldier that didn't make it through the night. Woo-wee! It's not a bad hike. We have reached the halfway point of the trekking path. Heck, this is still a great view, but wait till we get up to the top and I show you guys. Massive rock formations overlooking Bottle Rock Beach. But yeah, we're halfway, and the next part's a little bit more steep and you need some ropes and stuff to get up some of these ascents. I'm gonna put the phone down and see you at the top. And then through the jungle, you'll get to this mega crossing here that we gotta climb up through. But you ever just wonder, like, how the heck did this rock get so flat? Just like an earthquake or a frickin' shift in the earth. Uh-oh, guys, I'm climbing and videoing. Might die. Okay, here's a rope. We might die. There we go. So you can see, once you get up through here, very shady little path you got to traverse, and there is ropes. Thanks for coming along. If you guys are new to the channel, Make sure you like and subscribe and comment to help keep the growth moving. I gotta be careful up here because you can fall real quick, and there's no coming back from these falls. We're up here at the Tiffany. It is freaking it's a little scary. And here's the truth of the matter is this, like, we're walking on stones here. Just kind of gotta jump from stone to stone, and it is a straight drop off if you miss your steps. So this is, I mean, that's my foot. You can see, in this wind, crap. And so at one point, I'm just right here in this tiny little crevasse that you got to climb up through there and down through the boulders, and it pops you out to the other side, which is a very slim walkway as well. After a hard day of exploring, trekking, biking, we've posted up right here at this beautiful restaurant on the beach called La Casa Menu. They've got some tacos. We're gonna try them out. Food has arrived. We've got the chicken and the carne asada, and we're waiting on the fish taco to come still. I'm really curious about this beef taco first. Oh wow, look at that fish taco, guys. Beautiful. Avocado, cabbage, back to the beef. Let's just give it a frickin' big crispy bite. I'm just going straight in. These are on corn tortillas. Not my favorite. I'm a flour tortilla guy, but let's just give it a shot. A little salty, a lot of salty. Still pretty good. There's the beef taco. I think the chicken's gonna be about the same. See what they're doing here? They're just adding a bunch of saved. There's just a bunch of cabbage and stuff on top with this orange and white sauce. Let's break into the chicken. It's jammed with papaya. Just in chicken recipe. Last but not least, the fish taco. It's okay, it's a little bland. No real flavor. It needs lime.